Hey guys, it's me. I'm back, and I hear another train. Uh, so guys, that was the horn. That's right, train. Tell the visitors. The train said, "Yeah, I'm coming." Oh, there it is. Norfolk Southern. So that was North Carolina train went past, and now Norfolk Southern's going past. Hey, cars are racing the train. That was a great horn. Right, guys? That was a great horn. Oh, now the train's going fast. It was going a little bit slow, but now it's picking up speed. It's a hopper car train. Awesome train meet. So that, guys, whoa, look at a spider right there. I think Spider's watching the train too. He's like, "Oh, hello, I'm here to watch the train with you." Yeah, that was the spider right there. I don't see no diesel train on it. So this is Norfolk Southern. And that's the end of the train. Bye-bye, train. Oh, you see that blinking thing? That's the red light. That's to warn other train drivers that Norfolk Southern is in front of you. So similar to that train was Norfolk Southern hopper cars. The train retraced heading west, I think, to Concord, I think. Yeah, I made one of the silly videos. Goodbye.